Hey guys, this is Sanika and welcome back to my channel Food Treats. Today we are going to make a very delicious recipe which is palak paneer. So let's start this recipe. So very firstly we are going to take palak leaves and wash them very nicely, remove all the dirt present on it. Now we are going to try a technique called as blanching. So for that take some water, add salt and add the palak leaves. So after that boil this palak. Do not boil it much, just boil it a little bit. After that we are going to put this palak in some cold water. For that I am going to take some ice and add this ice into the normal water. So now it is very important to put the palak in cold water for this process of blanching. And after that, see, as you can see, I am putting this boiled palak in this cold water. So benefits of blanching are, it helps to not lose more nutrient from the palak. It gives a good texture which helps to blend to make the puree, and the main important thing is the color. So as you can see, after making a fine paste, the color of the palak has come out so good. So this is because of the blanching technique. For further process, now we have to take some tomatoes, ginger, garlic, green chilies and coriander. Now put all this in a grinding jar and grind this into a very thin paste. So as you can see here, our paste is ready. So here we are ready with all our ingredients, as you can see. So take a pan and add some ghee to it, or you can use oil as well, but I'm using ghee for this because ghee gives really a nice taste. Now add some cumin or jeera, add onions, dried red chilies, and toss the onion till it becomes brownish. After that we have to add some turmeric powder, nearly half teaspoon, then garam masala 1 spoon and red chili powder 1 to 1.5 spoon. Now mix all this very well and add the tomato puree which we had made. After that let it boil for some time. You can see the bubbles, and now put the palak puree. So you can see the color of the palak puree. This is because of the blanching technique. Now add salt as per your taste and mix all this again very well. Now add some water. So this is paneer which we have already cubed, and we have fried this paneer and kept aside. You can use the normal paneer you want. You can skip the frying process if you want. So we are going to put this paneer cubes in the palak. Now let this boil for 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 to 6 minutes, take out the lid and you can serve this delicious palak paneer with naan, roti, rice, or whatever you want to. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe and do try this recipe at home. If you like this video, then click the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out any new notification. Thanks for watching the video.